So looking at translations of functions, translations mean that the graph of the function is moved, either up, down, left, or right. And we're going to adapt these translations into graphs and see how the equation of the function actually tells us which way the graph has been translated. So we're going to start off with the first function, y equals the absolute value of x, where f of x equals absolute value of x. Now an absolute value function is just a straight line that's been reflected so that it's completely above the x-axis. So normally our straight line would look about like that, but this part on the left that's below the x-axis gets reflected so that it's now above the x-axis. Now we've got two other functions to look at. Y equals f of x plus 3, which would be absolute value of x plus 3, and y equals f of x minus 3, or the absolute value of x minus 3. What that plus 3 does at the end is it actually shifts the height of the graph. So if we have absolute value of x plus 3, then the graph is going to be shifted up 3 units, and it would look like this. If on the bottom we have absolute value of x minus 3, what that's going to do is that's going to shift the graph down by 3 units, and it would look about like this. So the graph is the same shape. The shape of the graph hasn't changed. What's happened is the position has changed, and that's where this plus 3 and the minus 3 have come in to do that shifting.